आज আমি তোমার জেনেটিক ডিজঅর্ডারের রেস্ট অফ দ্য পোর্শন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। আমরা পূর্বে what is genes, what is mutation, types of mutation, classification of genetic disorder and single gene disorder আলোচনা করেছিলাম। আজ আমি ক্রোমোজোমাল ডিজঅর্ডার নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ক্রোমোজোমাল ডিজঅর্ডারের বিগিনিংয়ে প্রথমে আমরা নর্মাল ক্রোমোজোম সম্বন্ধে একটু জানব। The normal karyotype human somatic cells contain 46 chromosomes. These comprise 22 homologous pairs of autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. XY in the female and XY in the male. What is karyotyping? This is the study of chromosome, and steps of karyotyping is at first to see the total number of chromosomes, which is followed by sex chromosomal complex. Finally, the description of the abnormality of the ascending numerical order. For example, a male with trisomy 21 is designated as 47XY plus 21. That is, this person have more than one chromosome present. That is 21 number 21 number chromosome is XX. The short arm of chromosome is designated as P, and the long arm of chromosome referred to as Q, which is the next letter of the alphabet stands for H. In banded karyotype, each arm of the chromosome is divided in two or more regions bordered by prominent bands. The regions are numbered, example 1, 2, 3, from the centromere outwards. Each region further subdivided into bands, sub-bands. Example, XP21-2, which means located on the short arm of chromosome X in region 2, and band 1 and sub-band 2. The normal chromosome complement is expressed as 46XX for female and 46XY for male. I think it is already known to you. Z-banded karyotype from a normal male. We can see here all 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosomes. You can see longest chromosome is number 1, shortest chromosome is 22. Here is chromosome short arm, and this is the long arm of chromosome, which is divided from the centromere. And this short arm is also subdivided, and long arm also subdivided into region, band, and subband. This is the DNA double helix. This is the DNA replication, and there is DNA condensing into a chromosome. This DNA condensing into a chromosome. Now we will go to about the abnormality of chromosome. We know that there is numerical and structural abnormality of the chromosome. At first, we will go for numerical abnormality. And numerical abnormality, there is example is Turner syndrome, that is karyotype 45X. Here one sex chromosome is absent. Trisomy 21 mosaic, that is Down syndrome, example karyotype 47XX plus 21 and 47XY plus 21. His 21 chromosome number is XX, so there is 47. Structural abnormality, there is deletion, inversion, it may be paracentric and pericentric. Translocation, it may be balanced translocation, Robertsonian translocation, Rame chromosome, and isochromosome. We can see here the figure translocation. There is balanced translocation, in which in between two chromosomes there is one portion is translocated from into another chromosome. In case of Robertsonian translocation, in both two chromosomes, some fragments are lost and these two chromosomes are fusion forming one chromosome, and this one is lost. Isochromosome, in the isochromosome there is two chromosomes fused in the centromere, and short arm chromosome united together and long arm chromosome united together and forming another chromosome. In case of deletion, when a portion or fragments of chromosome is lost, then it is called deletion. Here this one is lost and this one is lost. Inversion, it may be paracentric and pericentric. In the same chromosome, one portion is reciprocally transversed. That is, it occurs here. This portion is come to here, and pericentric in the center. In the centromere area, there is portion is translocated, changed in another portion. In the ring chromosome, from the short arm of chromosome and long arm of chromosome, a portion is lost, and rest of the portion is forming a ring form. So this is called ring chromosome. We know there is certain phases of mitosis. There is phase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The 4 phases, and 2 daughter cells are produced. In case of meiosis, we know there is 4 haploid daughter cells are produced. What is the procedure of chromosomal study? In this condition, usual procedure to examine the chromosome is to arrest dividing cell in metaphase stage with mitotic inhibitor, that is called colicimate, and then to stain the chromosome and then see under microscope. Then we can discuss about the numerical disorder of the chromosome. In case of numerical disorder, there is 2 types of numerical disorder may occur. Cytogenetic, it may be cytogenetic disorder involving the autosomes, and in cytogenetic disorder involving the sex chromosome. First one, we can go through the cytogenetic disorder involving autosomes. Such as example, trisomy 21, that is called Down syndrome. Karyotype is 47X plus 21 or 47XY plus 21. Other trisomies are trisomy 18, which is known as also Edwards syndrome, and trisomy 13, which is known as also Peta syndrome. Down syndrome is most important, which usually may question from Down syndrome. There may be question such as written and viva questions. Usually regularly comes. So clinical features of Down syndrome is most important. That is mental retardation, epicanthic folds and flat facial profile, abundant neck skin, congenital heart disease, simian crease, intestinal stenosis, umbilical hernia, predisposition to leukemia, hypotonia, gap between first and second toe. This is the karyotype of trisomy 21. You can see here the 22 chromosome, and here's 21, number 1 is XX, and this is the sex chromosome. This is the Down syndrome patient features, and this is the Edwards syndrome, and this is the Peta syndrome. Cytogenetic disorder involving the sex chromosome. Number 1 is Klinefelter syndrome, which is karyotype is 47, XXY, which is most common 90%. What is Klinefelter syndrome? This syndrome is defined as the male hypogonadism that occurs when there are 2 or more X chromosomes and 1 or more Y chromosomes. Features of Klinefelter syndrome: small atrophic testes, small penis, lack of secondary male characteristic, that is deep voice, beard and pubic hair, large breast, that is gynecomastia, low IQ, infertile, tall with narrow shoulder. Turner syndrome. Karyotype 45X, Turner syndrome results from a complete or partial monosomy of the X chromosome and is characterized primarily by hypogonadism in phenotypic females. It is the most common sex chromosome abnormality in the female. Clinical features of Turner syndrome is a short stature, low posterior hairline, waving of neck, broad chest, small breast, widely spaced nipple. Pubertas valgus, strict ovaries, infertile and amenorrhea, heart disease, diabetes, vision and hearing difficulties. This is the Klinefelter syndrome and this is the Klinefelter syndrome in case of male, and this is the in case of female. You can see it in the figure. This is the also a Turner syndrome features. Variety of Turner, it is the, we know there is a karyotype 45X and another karyotyping may be occurs. There are several karyotyping. Bar body. What is bar body? This bar body named after discoverer Marie Bar. It is the inactive X chromosome in a female somatic cells. The Leon hypothesis states that in cells with multiple X chromosomes, all but one are inactivated during embryogenesis. During interphase, a female cell presents a heterochromatin body beneath the nuclear membrane, which is known as sex chromatin or bar body. Bar body can be seen in the nucleus of the neutrophil. In men and women with more than one X chromosome, the number of bar bodies visible at interphase is always one less than the total number of X chromosomes. For example, man with 47 XXY karyotype having a single bar body. Women with a 47 XXX karyotype having two bar bodies. This is the figure in the bar body. This is the bar body in the neutrophil. You can see here there is a neutrophil in there. There is a bar body. Indication of bar body examination. Number one is sex determination, that is nuclear sexing, help to diagnose chromosomal disorders such as Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, etc. Procedure of bar body examination. Usually we are taking spatial buccal mucosa, affected person and mother, and it is fixed in 95% alcohol, and then staining, perpendicular staining is done, and then see under light microscope. Analysis of germinal genetic alterations. Many techniques are available today for the diagnosis of genetic disease. It is important to ascertain which individual require genetic testing. It can be divided into perinatal and postnatal analysis. Technique can be used: conventional cytogenetics, fluorescent in situ hybridization, that is FISH technique, polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR, Southern blotting, other molecular diagnostic assays, or combination of these. Prenatal genetic analysis. It can be performed on cells obtained by amniocentesis or on chronic villus biopsy material or on umbilical cord. Some important indication of prenatal genetic analysis are a mother of advanced age, that is more than 35 years of age, as there is increased risk of trisomies. A parent who is a carrier of a balanced reciprocal translocation, Robertsonian translocation or inversion. A parent with a previous child with a chromosomal abnormality, a fetus with ultrasound detected abnormality. A parent who is a carrier of an X-linked genetic disorder to determine fetal sex, abnormal level of alpha-fetoprotein, beta-HCG, and estradiol performed as triple test. Postnatal genetic analysis. It is usually performed on peripheral blood lymphocytes. Indications are as follows: multiple congenital anomalies, unexplained mental retardation or development delay, suspected aneuploidy, that is features of Down syndrome, suspected unbalanced autosomes, that is Prader-Willi syndrome, suspected sex chromosomal abnormality, that is Turner syndrome, suspected Fragile X syndrome, infertility to rule out the sex chromosomal abnormality. multiple spontaneous abortion to rule out the parent as carrier of balanced translocation. In this condition, both parents should be evaluated. Thank you all. তাহলে তোমাদের জেনেটিক ডিসঅর্ডার সম্বন্ধে আমাদের রিভিউ ক্লাস আজ সমাপ্ত হলো। তোমরা সবাই ভালো থাকো।